Hey Tractor Chasers, in today's video we are out in the field with a Western New York farm working on harvesting wheat and baling straw. This is a really neat operation. We're going to see them doing everything from combining, baling, and moving the bales with their New Holland Stack Cruisers. To harvest the wheat, the farm is running two John Deere 9650 combines, and they use these older Walker style combines because it gives a better quality straw to make real high quality straw bales that can be sold. Once the straw is in the windrow, the farm will come in with their John Deere tractors and straw balers, and they will put these straw bales right on the ground so they can be picked up with the New Holland Stack Cruisers later on. You'll see these balers have a turning device on the end, and that puts the bales in the correct position to be picked up by the New Holland Stack Cruisers. These New Holland Stack Cruisers are really impressive to watch. They take the straw bales right from the ground and put them into a neatly formed stack on the back of the machine. From there, they'll drive back to the farm and unload into the barn. The bed tilts up and just dumps the perfectly formed stack, and there's no handling required. So it makes it a really efficient process and requires a lot fewer people to get the entire baling operation completed on time. I hope you love being out in the field with this Western New York farm harvesting wheat and baling straw. If you love seeing videos like this, please take a minute to subscribe to the Tractor Chasers channel so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching.